Mustafa and Maheera, come and learn today. Fun and faith together. Wait for me, Mustafa. You cannot catch me. It's time for Salah.
Allahu Akbar.
Wash, 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 wudu wash, wash. Wash, 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 let's get ready to pray. First our hands, wash, 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 nice and clean. Wash, 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 water sparkling, shiny and bright. Getting ready feels so right. Wudu wash, wash, wash all day. Getting ready, time to pray. Wudu wash, wash, nice and clean. The cleanest kids you've ever seen. Rinse your mouth, swish, swish, swish. Rinse your nose, splash, splash, splash. Clean and fresh, what a sight. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Islamic fun and faith together.